From the petitioner counsel, my lord. I pray for 2 weeks' time to file a reply, my lord.
Mr. Bora,
My lord, yes, my lord.
how much time?
2 weeks' time, my lord.
The date may be fixed, my lord. Registry will fix it, but we'll fix the date, week particularly. On the prayer of the council for the parties. List after 2 weeks on the date will be fixed by the registry. In the meanwhile, the private respondent shall file its affidavit in the matter.
Net resolution. My lord, with the consent of other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 51, my lord. My lord, senior counsel, Mr. PJ Soiki is, my lord, out of station, my lord. So, my lord, this matter may come up, my lord, after 2
Okay,
weeks.
we'll pass this order at the appropriate stage, not this. Keeping it. Okay. Yes,
Maybe
Mr. Atia.
Item number 9 may be possible for 2 weeks, my lord. I have to take instruction, my lord, whether the case is alive there or not.
Have you informed the other side? Have you informed the other side?
No.
Okay, let the matter reach, we'll pass the order, Mr. Atia. Let the matter reach, we'll pass the order. Not now.
Hey, please, Lordship. So item number 34, it has become infructuous, Lordship. Criminal revision petition.
Wait for a few minutes. As soon as the mention is over, we'll pass the order.
Yes,
Wait for-
34, Lordship.
May please, Lordship, may I pray for listing of an IA and a criminal revision on first, if possible.
Not in this week. Seventh.
Your
Maybe
Lordship,
a bit.
similar prayer, Your Lordship, in the 1st of August, Your Lordship,
Seventh.
7th of August, oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'm paying for lifting of this matter on Friday, Lordship, this Friday. For orders, Lordship.
Okay, on seventh, we make.
And next, next date of this case is on 8th in the lower court, Lordship. Can it be on
Fifth.
5th, Lordship? Oblige.
May I please, your lordship. But I beg to mention item number 21, my lord, with consent of the counsel of the petitioner side, my lord. And this kind.
Borua. Kumba kana fan more for ready.
Item number 21, my lord.
Have you informed the other side, Mr.
Yes,
Khanna?
lordship. I have taken consent from the other
The
side.
prayer of the council for the.
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks in a day. Yes.
No, Lordship.
Item number 1, Lordship, as per Honorable Court direction, I have filed an additional affidavit, Lordship, on last Friday, Lordship. That may take with the record, Lordship.
When did you file? Friday?
Yes,
Last
Lordship,
Friday?
Friday, last.
Okay, we'll have it on this Wednesday. On 31st. Along with the affidavit filed by the petitioner. Okay. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention for item number 27, Your Lordship.
Not received.
CD was called for in this case.
This is from which police station?
Satgaon. Next week, Your Lordship.
List on 9th. On the said that the officer in charge of Satgaon Police Station, or the investigating officer in the slash code for the investigation. Shall place the up-to-date case there pertaining to Satgaon PS case number. Yes, Ms. Das, what is the case number?
Geetanagar PS case number.
Geetanagar or Satgaon?
It's Gitanagar, Lordship.
Geetanagar,
Geetanagar.
47/24.
47/24 without fail.
Obliged.
Copy of this order to MS and as an addition for before unnecessary. Yes, ma'am.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention on criminal petition for listing, Lordship.
7th,
7,
for orders, admission for what?
or for orders.
May I please, your Lordship, I beg to mention for a criminal petition for hearing.
It will not come that way. It has to first come for orders. 9th. Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, in item number 8, I have filed an additional affidavit today morning, my lord. My lord, hearing this case, my lord, I have made a mistake, my lord. While, my lord, annexing the translated copy, my lord, the vernacular translated copies were annexed, my lord. Today, I filed the additional affidavit bringing the English translation of this email. This much only.
have you sub copy on Mr. Nandi?
No, my lord, because Nandi my lord, he'll be appearing for the very first time in this case, my lord, in this case. After the first listing,
Soft copy on the other side.
My-
Okay, we'll have it on 7th, or 5th. On 5th.
deeply obliged,
Right,
Lord,
Mr.
deeply obliged, deeply obliged, Lord.
Your land council for your list on 15 the minimum he shall serve the requisite extra copies along with the test documents. As well as the government vehicles. Council for the respondents. Yes, Mr. Bora.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, for listing a criminal petition on 6th, and for the respondent, my lord, it has, let's stay order, he then,
Not on 6th, it's a hearing date,
Lordship.
either on 7th or 9th.
let it be on 9th.
9th.
Yeah, please, sir. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 50, Lordship. Which may adjourn this matter, hearing matter.
Hearing matter. Wait
Yes.
for your turn, let the matter is whether we'll reach or not, we do not know. We'll pass the order.
Lordship, obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I am praying for listing of a criminal petition for withdrawal, lordship.
Day after tomorrow, 31st.
Obliged.
Maybe the Lordship. Criminal petition has become infrastructure, Lordship. Because the learned trial court has rendered its judgment already. On 34/2024. We have challenged an order of Lordship whereby learned trial court has.
On which date? 13/4.
On 34/2024, judgment was passed by the learned trial court. In special POXO case number 89/2023.
Bail bond, sir?
89 of 2024.
Special POXO case number 89/2023. And judgment dated 34/2024.
Learned POXO case, POXO judge insecure.
Tinsukia, Lordship. Acquitted the present petitioner, Lordship.
But this petition was on some furnishing of bail bonds.
Trial over.
Or trial is.
Trial is over.
What's your good name?
N. Hassan, Lordship. Bail bond excel.
Oh,
Adding of section 6.
the trial है होगा.
Council
Acquitted.
petitioner.
Oh, acquitted.
And MSL General Learned December the prosecutor. Preparing for the state. Respondent number 1. Mr. Hassan, our counsel for the petitioner or instructions submitted that during pendency of this revision petition, the learned special within bracket POXO, bracket close judge in Sukia. By judgment and order dated 30/04/2023,
2024, Lordship.
2024, first inspection, special POXO, case number 89/2023,
Acquitted the petition.
arising out of Tinsukia PS case number 401/2023.
Might have you.
Acquitted.
तो दुख लगा
The
पता
petition-
देखा था हुआ जाएगा इस वाले वो उतना से
Under section 363, FPC ready section 6 of the PSCS. Hence, the petitioner is not present on this petition. According to this petition, stands dismissed being not present.
Deep your level.
Oh,
Japan for
Yes,
the,
Mr. Simon.
I'm for the respondent number 2 and my senior is out of station, so
What's your name? It's
Nishit, JC Gaur. Respondent, I don't know the name of respondent, Lordship. Shamlal Sharma.
We also have to file a reply, my lord, in this matter. So it may come with the police.
Mr. Gaur's name is not there in the list of absence. There is no leave note from him. The prayer of the council for the parties. List after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the legislature. Interim order passed earlier on 7/4/2022 shall remain in force till the next date of listing.
Definitely.
May I please your lordship? It's a matrimonial dispute that is going on. A maintenance order, connection number 3 is the same. The lordship will find that the operative portion of the order is in page 67 and 66, 68. I have been ordered thereby to pay a sum of rupees 5,000, but my income is 11,000 lordship. So that becomes too much for me. I'm working in a petrol pump as a dispenser only. Page 68, if your lordship kindly consider lordship.
How much you are paying, Mr. Bhachaji?
Or I have. Yes, 5,000 only lordship.
You are paying how much?
5,000 lordship.
Since when?
Since the day of the order, that is on 25/8/2022. Lordship, this order was earlier stayed, but after the stay has been already vacated. And so far my instruction goes that he has made some payment, lordship. Now paying 5,000 for him is little bit
There is no
difficult.
such vacating order. On
This
whose
court,
behalf it was vacated?
this court has vacated, lordship. On the last occasion. Last occasion, lordship.
There is no such order.
State or continue the subject to payment, also vacating for it.
The order was passed that stay will continue subject to the payment. My only submission before lordship that 5,000 is a little bit in a higher side because my income is 11,000. I'm working as a dispenser in a petrol pump, lordship. So it can be reduced by at least 2,000 rupees, it will be very convenient for me. I can pay 3,000 rupees, lordship. And after due service, the respondent has not appeared before this honorable court, lordship.
What is the complaint petition?
Lordship will
Seeking
find,
maintenance.
find the petition. Oh, that has not been.
We have not annexed.
Annexure two A is the assets and liabilities, Lordship. From 26 to 55A. Page number. The petition has not been annexed, Lordship.
Do you have a copy?
Lordship.
Please give it to me.
I don't have a copy right now. I will have to annex it, Lordship. Lordship may allow me to file an additional affidavit in this regard, Lordship.
List on 9th. On the said date. The petitioner. Shall place. Relevant. Orders of the. Principal Judge Family Court number 3, Kamrup Metro.
That is their Lordship. Page 56 to 68. Annexure three, Lordship.
First in. FC Udin Beckett. CRL. Beckett Cruz, case number 216/2020. To establish that. He has paid. The maintenance of rupees 5,000. Per month. Inclusive of rupees 3,000. To the. Respondent to the. Sole opposite party. For her. And rupees 2,000. For their minor son. Since August 2023. Till date. In terms of the order, it is 09/08/2023, passed earlier in this. Revision petition. On the said date. The petitioner shall also. Place a copy of the complaint petition. Filed by the sole respondent. Relating. To FC criminal 216/2020. Claiming. Filed by the sole respondent. Claiming maintenance from the petition. Place it, body of, we'll see. The interim order passed earlier. On. (21/10/2022). Shall be subject to the. Order of subject to the payment of maintenance. payable to the petitioner in terms of the order of the 0809/23.
Diplo.
Maybe Lordship. This matter is amicably settled, already settled, my lordship. This matter.
Yes,
Yes, my lord.
It is sufficed.
You don't want to
Mr. Sharma, is it settled?
Well, I have no such instructions. I have no such instructions. If she want to withdraw it, she can withdraw it.
No, already they have filed an affidavit. They are supposed to file no objection affidavit before this honorable court.
Where is that affidavit filed?
Affidavit has not, has on the. It will be filed.
Hmm?
Already respondent has petitioner's house. They're supposed to file joint affidavit. my lord.
That's, she's submitting that. In that case, I can
You don't have
obtain
any
instructions,
instruction,
I
Mr.
can obtain instructions about these matters, whether this is correct or not, I have to obtain the instructions, madam. Let it be listed after 1 week. In the meantime, I shall get
Okay, we'll do
instructions.
that.
very soon.
So, MS
Unable.
or Begum Learned Counsel for the petition submitted that the dispute involving this criminal petition issues and dispute will have already been settled. The
Yeah, yes, Xerox.
sole respondent
Xerox.
between the petitioners and the sole respondent outside the court. But Mr. S.J. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the sole respondent, doesn't have any such instruction in the matter. List of 9th August. Parties to this proceeding may file joint petition, if any, regarding their claim for settlement of the issues involving this criminal petition. Individual.
May I please your lordship. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 2, lordship.
No representation on behalf of the petition. Heard petitioners. MS Andas, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent number 1. And MS
P. Sharma, lordship.
P. Sharma, learned counsel for the respondent number 2. Complainant. Matter relates to issuance of notice by the Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class Dibrugarh on the basis of a complaint lodged by the respondent number 2, registered in the section 403 of the 406 of the 498 A of the 306 of the 34 IPC. Matter ratio taking millions of issues or millions of offense, issuance of summons. In a complaint petition, on the basis of a complaint petition filed by the respondent number 2 being complaint CR case number 76C of the 2021. Wherein there is an interim order suspending the said proceeding, said CR case in force in 0709/2022. Nearly clear, but wherein there was an interim order possible. Oh. In the last 2 days, the matter was taken up for consideration on 12/5/2023 and 21/12/2023. The court did not extend the said interim order dated 0709/2022. List after 2 weeks and it to be fixed by the registry.
Much approved.
एक खाली अपना नाम लिखिए, 2 names of the council. Yes, Mr. Adgiri.
Please, Your Lordship, my lord, in this case, well, notice was issued on 23/9/22.
Yes, Mr. Padgiri.
My lord, notice was issued on, my lord, 23/9/2022, my lord, and no stay order from this honorable court, and my lord, at present, my lord, I have to receive instruction, my lord, as the trial is, my lord, continue, my lord. What happened, my lord? Till that, my lord. Respondent number appears, my lord. Respondent number 2.
Yes,
yes. My lord, the case is fixed today, my lord. Ground court below. The last occasion, my lord, prosecution is already completed, my lord. Today is fixed for SD, my lord. Cassandra Khemaji, my lord.
PW already closed it.
Close.
Last paper.
Maybe close my lord petition as this statement.
Arguments from the side of prosecution already over.
Yes, my lord.
Today's fixed for what?
SD, my lord.
Heard Mr. K. R. Padgiri and counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. A. Busso. Learned. Additional public prosecutor. Appearing for the state testimony number 1. Also heard Mr. A. Bohai, learned counsel for the respondent number 2. Informant. Take your seats. On the basis of an affair lodged by the respondent number 2 before the Dhamaji police station, officer in charge of Dhamaji police station on 05/08/2020. Dhamaji police station, before Dhamaji police station, officer Dhamaji PS case number 321/2020 under section 366/376/294/506 IPC was registered against the petitioner. After completion of the investigation, the investigating officer of said Dhamaji PS case number such and such on 29/11/2021 submitted the search sheet in the case file CS number 237/2021 against the petitioner under section 376 PC. Dhamaji PS case number corresponding to PRC number 239/202. Learned Sessions as Dhamaji in Sessions case number 79 within bracket DH/2022 arising out of said PRC case number such and such bracket or Dhamaji PS case number by order dated 26/08/2022. Frame charge under section 376 IPC against the petition. Aggrieved with the safe framing of charge under section 376 IPC against him on the basis of the said charge sheet number 237/2021 in Dhamaji PS case number such and such PRC corresponding such and such. The petitioner on 20/09/2022 filed this criminal petition, praying amongst others to set aside and pass the sourced number such and such, dated such and such, filed in connection with Dhemaji PS case number such and such, corresponding to GR number such and such. Public PRC number such and such. The court on 23092022 issued notice to the respondent, but did not stay the proceeding of Said Sessions case number such and such, number 79 DH, pending before the court of learned session judge Dhemaji, arising out of the PS case numbers against the petitioner. In the meanwhile, both Mr. Badgiri, counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Guha, learned counsel for the informant respondent number 2 submitted that the evidence of prosecution witnesses have already been recorded. 313 is also complete.
Yes, no, my lord, sir. No, my lord. Today is fixed for my lord, next statement. 313 CRPC.
And today is the date fixed for recording of statement of the petitioner under section 313 CRPC. This court while issuing notice on the 2309/2022, call for the scanned copy of the Said Sessions Case number 79DH2022, corresponding to PRC number such and so, arising of Said Demazi PS case number such and such. Peruse the records of Said Sessions Case number such and such. After hearing the counsel for the parties, considering the materials in the relevant case diary and 164 CRPC statement of the victim, the court is of the view that this is not a fit case to exercise the power under section 482 CRPC to quash the proceeding of such and such and such. It is already noted above that the learned trial court has already recorded the statements of the prosecution witnesses, including the statement of the victim informant. Considering the above, this criminal petition being the word of marriage stands.
Oblige.
Please take your seats for a question. Yes.
My please, Lordship. In this case, we have prayed for quashing the FIR file and charge sheet filed under section 498A as well as cognizance taken against the petitioner, Lordship. Lordship, marriage of the petitioner was solemnized on 22/1/2018. Thereafter, marriage was not consummated due to non-cooperation of the informant wife. The petitioner filed a petition under section 12 for declaring the marriage nullity. It was on 12/10/2018. Thereafter, petitioner, that is informant, on 21/11/2018, filed various petitions before Deputy Commissioner, SP. Petitioner is an advocate, so before the Secretary, District Vice Silchar, as well as District Omensal. So petition filed before the District Omensal was forwarded to the police. And accordingly, police registered Silchar PS case number 4012 of 2018. This is the first FIR. We are seeking quashing for the second FIR. Lordship. It was registered under section 498A IPC. Thereafter, police filed closure report on 31/12/2018. Informant protested the same, filing a protest petition, and the FR was not accepted. Accordingly, CR case number 296/2019 was registered on the basis of same FIR. And it is
on the basis of that FIR.
FIR. Informant filed a protest petition.
That's right.
So that's why on the basis of said FR, Lordship, that it is pending. Now, this informant received the notice of this the petition under section 12, which was registered as FC civil case number 386 of 2018. And she appeared on 15/12/2018. Thereafter, Lordship, second FIR was filed on 2/3/2019. First FIR, Lordship will find at page 30.
Second FIR was lodged when?
End
of March.
2/3/19, March 19. After filing written statement in this FC civil case before the family court.
Yes.
Now, registration of second FIR is erroneous because offense under section 490 is a continuing offense, firstly. Secondly, when already there is an FIR, the second FIR should not have been registered because there is settled law that police can further investigate and file the supplementary final report under section 173(8) of the CRPC. The first FIR is a page 30 also. Page 30. If I may read it, Lordship.
Just a minute. Our statement before the magistrate, kindly read.
Lordship, magistrate
Our
is,
statement before the magistrate,
yes, it is
page
at
44,
page
44.
44. Here also same date is coming, 1/3/2019. This initial deposition is regarding this second FIR. And page 45, she has admitted that in the year 2018, I intimated the matter of demand of dowry and physical torture to my husband and in-laws to the Deputy Commissioner Jila Parishad SP. I also am the matter of the District Bar Association as my husband is an advocate. I also
Yes,
filed.
ma'am. Kindly read page 44 slowly.
My marriage with Amitabh Dev took place on 22/1 of 2018 as per Hindu rites and rituals. After 3-4 months of my marriage, my husband started demanding 5 lakhs from me and also demanded car extra. As my father was already expired as such, I could not bring the money. In furtherance of the said demand, my husband, father-in-law, mother-in-law, and brother-in-law subjected me with physical torture. I spent more than 1 year in my matrimonial tolerating even torture of my husband and in-laws, but they continued demanded and physical torture upon me. As such, on 1/3 of 2019, I went on to my father's house to inform about their demand, but I found that my mother ill. As such, I did not communicate the matter and returned to my matrimonial house. On my return, when my husband and in-laws asked me about the money, I told them that I did not bring the money. On that, my husband and father-in-law, mother-in-law, and brother-in-law assaulted me severely and drove me from my matrimonial house on the same evening. They did not allow me to enter into their house. As such, I informed the matter to my brother and other family members over phone. On the same night, my uncle, Sushil Paul, brother Sudeep Paul, and some of their friends came to my matrimonial house and tried to settle the matter, but my husband and in-laws paid no heed. As such, I went to Silchar PS and lodged an Ejahar. Before lodging the case in the year 2018, I intimated the matter of demand of dowry and physical torture by my husband and in-laws to the Deputy Commissioner Jila Parishad SP. I also informed the matter to the District Bar Association. As my husband is an advocate, I have also filed a DB case, a case under 125 CRPC, a case of restitution of conjugal right in the family court. He also filed a divorce case against me.
Then read the FIR, case number 55.
55. Barnacular is 57.
I beg to state that about 1 year ago, I was married to the below name accused person number 1 as per Hindu rites and ritual. Since after the marriage, the accused persons had been subjecting me physical and mental cruelty, giving comparison of dowry. I, the informant, is fatherless and my mother is old and ailing woman, and as such thinking inability of my parental house. While I was continuing to live family life with the accused number 1, there were bichar held on different occasions on the said matter. On 1/3/2019, all the accused persons in one voice asked me to bring 5 lakhs only and 1 car from paternal house, and when I refused their pressure, all the accused persons abused me with slang language and confined me in a room without providing any food. And today on 2/3/2019 in the morning at 8 AM, below name all the accused person again asked me to bring said demanded money of dowry and car from paternal house, and when I refused my husband, the below named accused number one along with other accused persons by abusing and slapping me, keeping all my ornaments, necessary documents, clothes, etc., drove me out of the house in one cloth. I, being helpless, took shelter in my paternal house, but seeing my old mother is ailing, I did not say anything, and in the evening, my elder brother Sudeep Paul, making me understand, left me in front of the gate of the accused persons. Thereafter, when I entered the house, all the accused persons asked me whether I bought the demanded dowry money. When I answered in negative, the below named accused number one abused me in slang language and holding my hair, pushed down in the ground and kicked in the lower abdomen and asked me to leave the house. And the accused number three started slapping me, holding my hair and
stating that the informant of said the Boca PS case number 48 of 2017 have filed an application before the officer in charge of the Boca police station the response number 2, stating that because of some misunderstanding, he lost the affair relating to said the Boca PS case number such and such 48 to 600. And he doesn't have any objection if police submits a final report in the matter in the said matter. As the parties to the said proceeding have compromised the matter. While issuing notice, the court by order written 2203/2023 call for the scanned copy of the records of said PRC case number such and such. From the records, it is seen that which is petition number 1 arrest statement. Petition number 4 shown as an absconder really 1 and 2. No citing. Though the from the records of the case, though the learned magistrate JMFC Hojai Sankadev Nagar took cognizance of the offense against all the 3 accused persons of said Hosea PS case number such and such. Also observe the fact that section 436 being exclusively carried by the Court of Sessions the said authority could not forward the matter to the Court of Learned Session Judge Ojai due to non-appearance of the accused persons, namely এক নম্বর petitioner বাদে বাকি দুটো নামটি পারে petition number 2 আর other accused persons. From the records of the case, including the records of the Boca PS case number such and such. It can be seen that the witness acquainted with the incident during investigation name the present petitioners and third person number 30 involved in said incident in burning down the house of said housing, and also stop the fire tender on the road, blocking it to reach the place of occurrence, douse the fire. Though the petitioners have annexed the copy of the letter written by the informant of said the Boca PS case number 48 of such and such to the officer in charge of the Boca police station. An explanation that the affair relating to said the Boca PS cases was lost by him due to misinformation, and the matter has been compromised. But the same is without any date and without mentioning as to when such compromise between the parties relating to the said incident took place. As the charges are grave and the relevant case records indicates the involvement of the petitioners and such, I'm going to give the number. On hearing the parties on perusing the materials in the case records, the court is of the view that is not a fit case to exercise the power under section 482 CRPC so as to set aside and pause the search sheet number 73 of 2017 submitted in connection with the Boca PS case number 48 of 2017 corresponding to GL number 445 of 2017, which has been re-registered as PRC number 1495/2019 and presently pending before the Court of Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class Ojai, Shankar Devnagar. Accordingly, this criminal petition being referred of illicit marriage or interference under section 482 section 6. Dismissed. Yes, next.
Lordship has allowed in.
Dismissed. These kind of offences cannot be considered under section 482. Yes,
Meet the lordship. This revision petition has been filed against the impugn order passed by the learned court below, Etienne Barbara. It is a maintenance related matter. And petitioner is the husband of the respondent number 2.
who is appearing for the respondent?
Respondent. Who is not? Who can put? Who assigned the respondent?
Already they have filed Lukalatnama. And
They have been shown matter relates to domestic violation.
Name is shown.
So in their absence, we will not like to take today.
Yes, Lord.
Will not be fair enough. You are Mr.
and Islam.
Not Mr. and Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. A. Boisho, learned additional public prosecutor Assam for the state respondent number 1. Do names of the councils for the respondent number 2, informant / complainant / agreed person. Have been reflected in the court list. But the said respondent number 2 remain unrepresented. Considering the matter involving domestic violence under the provision of the relating to protection of women from domestic violence act 2005. And as the respondent number 2 remain unrepresented. Release this matter on a date to be fixed by the registry. In the week commencing from 12th of August.
Hello, please. Hey, please, my lord. My lord, the petitioner borrowed an amount of rupees 50,000 from the respondent number 1. And issued a check on 20/03/2027. Subsequently, the petitioner repaid the borrowed money to the respondent number 1. But at that time, the respondent number 1 could not trace out the check, and she could not return back the check to the petitioner. As a co-villager, the petitioner also believed respondent number 1. But later on, the respondent number 1 manipulated the numerical number on the check, which was issued on 20/03/2017. She manipulated, overwriting the numerical number 3 as she made it as 8 and filed a complaint case before the CGM, which was tried by the additional CGM Kamrup Amingao. On 4/10/19, the petitioner filed a petition. Kindly see, my lord, page number 21 as Annexure 4. The petitioner filed this petition for Forensic Science Laboratory to examine the numerical number which was overwritten by the respondent number 1 as 8. But that same petition was rejected by the additional CGM Kamrup Amingao on 25/10/2019. Annexure 5, case number 22. Later on, the petitioner preferred a criminal revision petition file number 13/2020 before the session judge Kamrup Amingao. And the Honorable Session Judge also upheld the order of the additional CGM and reject the criminal revision petition filed by the petitioner. Being aggrieved, the petitioner approached before this honorable court to set aside, to be pleased to set aside the impugned order dated 25/10/19 and the judgment dated 6/3/2023 and allow the petitioner allow the petition petition number 3183 dated 4/10/19 Annexure 4. This is my case, my lord.
Yes, just a moment. What is your objection? Show cause, show cause. Where is your show cause?
This is number 22, the order of the London Trial Court. I'm referring on to respondent number 1. This is number 22.
Just a minute. Objection to objection submission. What is your check number?
Check number 319112.
We have not filed any reply.
Objection, Lordships.
No, petitioner so called I'm looking for in the CR case. Have you filed any show cause or state away appeared? You come back at 2. But you have to tell us. Yeah. You have deposed before the trial court, right?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So was your deposition on 31st of October 2018 before the trial court? We'll see to that. Come back at 2.
Okay, my lord. The revision against the maintenance structure, against the maintenance order also. Judgment order at 15/6/23, and lordship will find the order at page 9, lordship. Page 9.
Internal page 9.
No, one. Start from page 10. Lordship, only 15,000 was granted, lordship, 15,000.
That we have
In fact, lordship, assets and liabilities were not provided to the court below, lordship, was not submitted to the court below. Mechanically, this order was passed, lordship, 15,000. In fact, I am a lordship, clerk of a school, lordship, and I have a fair price shop. And my total earning is 4,500, lordship. So how can I pay lordship 15,000? Thank you, sisters.
Yes, Mr. Patel. Do you have the evidence of the implement? Relating to the income of the
my lord.
present petitioner that he earns around 50,000 per month.
My lord.
What is your in support of that? What you have placed before the trial court?
I have not, my lord, produced evidence, but prima facie, my lord, he is a, my lord, fair price of dealer, my lord.
That's true. That's why.
And he also,
Your
my lord,
claim is that he's a teacher in a.
it is a private school
Private
also. And
You
he
are
has
also
also,
saying
and,
that
and
he has a
from
fair price shop.
evidence, my lord, it is, my lord, that he also has also a rented house also, my lord.
So
And,
That is-
my lord, lady, I have a also a son, my lord, minor son, my lord. And 15,000 is the, my lord, sufficient, my lord.
In fact,
Around
Lordship,
it, 6 years old minor, my lord.
I have six brothers.
8 years.
Eight, brothers. I have 6 brothers and 2 sisters, Lordship, total 8, Lordship. And
that cannot be a ground that you will
My lord.
and the
maintain
property
your
was,
wife and daughter.
property was not divided, Lordship. So in fact,
Till that, my lord, no maintenance has been granted, my lord. Judgment
What
order
happens to
passed on
police
in the
case?
year 2023,
What
my lord.
happened in the police case? What is the status? Mr. Padgiri,
My lord.
what happened with the police case? What is the status?
and moreover, Lordship, she voluntarily left my place, Lordship.
You married the complainant informant at what age?
My lord.
What was her age when you married her? She was not a major. She was a minor. Right? So how it is possible? You have married the minor, she became a mother, of course, when she become major.
The love affair, Lordship.
Now you don't want to retain her. That is why we ask you, what is the stage of the proceeding in the criminal case? Mr. Patgiri, what is the stage?
Then, my lord, I have to receive instruction, my lord.
But Mr. A. Sharma, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And MS Andas, non-additional public prosecutor appearing for the state respondent number 1. Also heard Mr. Kipatgiri, and counsel for the petition, respondent number 2. Slash petitioner slash informant complainant. The respondent number 2 was married to the petitioner hearing on 02/07/2017. And they live together as husband and wife. Out of their wedlock, A female child was born to them. On 07/05/2018. Due to compelling situation, the respondent number 2, along with the child, had to leave her matrimonial home on 08/02/2021. And thereafter, she started residing with her parental home, well, in her parental home with their child. The respondent number 2 also lodged an FIR against the petitioner before the Panigaon police station, which has been registered as such and such under section 498. As the petitioner did not provide any maintenance to her, did not take any steps to bring her back to her matrimonial home along with their child, and did not look after her and their child properly without paying any maintenance. The respondent number 2 filed a petition under section 125 CRPC for providing her appropriate maintenance. The learned subdivisional judicial magistrate within bracket Sadar bracket close were not looking by its order dated 15/6/2023. Past date. Miss case number 339/2021. Within bracket file under section 125 section. After considering the evidence of both the parties, directed the petitioner to pay rupees 10,000 per month to the respondent number 2 and rupees 5,000 per month for their minor daughter from the date of the said order dated 15/06/2023. Agree with the same and the said order of ঠিক আছে। Agree with the same because the petitioner, husband of the respondent number 2, record this criminal petition, criminal division petition. While issuing notice, the court on 25/09/23 call for the records of said miss case number 39/2021. observing that the interim order for the petitioner shall be considered on perusal of the records. During the trial before the magistrate, it has been proved that the petitioner is serving in a private educational institution, has a fair price shop, and also landed property. Matter be admitted for hearing. Until further order of report. And the petitioner shall pay rupees 3,500. Just a minute. Wait. 5,000 to the petitioner per month as maintenance. And rupees 3,500 as maintenance for their minor daughter per month from the month of August 2024 until further order of the court. How much area he has paid?
My lord, no amount has been paid, my lord. Until that, my lord, from the
Okay,
date of
area
filing.
amount. Since 15/6/2023. The petitioner shall deposit an amount of rupees 8,500. $80,000 in two equal installments, in total, in two equal installments on or before October 2024. Register shall use this matter for hearing. In the week commencing from 4/11/2020.
Lord, sir, can it be in November, Lord?
Not your wife and your daughter.
Okay.
Apply. Wait.
This matter has been listed at my instance, Milord. Very small prayer. Your Lordship kindly take the miss case, Milord. The miss case was, Milord, there's a conditional order of stay subject to the payment of half of the check amount, Milord. And what I found now, the check amount has been deposited and my lord, this amount may be allowed to withdraw, my lord. That's my only prayer, Milord. Lordship may kindly see, go to the miss case, Milord, there's a flag, Milord, flag A. Yes, Milord, that's it, that there's a conditional stay orders because the revisions against the conviction, Milord. Appellate court also confirmed the judgment and order passed by the Lawrence CGM, Milord, and they have come a revision.
What happened in the? Okay.
Appellate court.
Appeal was stayed.
No,
No, the execution of sentences has been stayed and there is a money, the check has been bounced. Dishonored the amount of the check was 2 lakh rupees. And while awarding the sentences, give it 2,30,000.
It was a conditional order, Mr. Bora, where the 50% of the check
Yes,
amount
madam.
was to be paid. Right,
Yes, yes.
and till then, the proceeding is to be stayed.
Stayed, So
That
they
is
have,
for the
what I found, they have deposited the 1 lakh, Because it's a check amount, not the awarded amount,
Right,
So, my lord, I may be allowed because I am the,
want to withdraw that amount.
my lord, that is the only thing.
The amount has been deposited with whom?
Registrar General,
For the registry, Lordship.
Registrar General, the flag A is there.
Where is your application?
There's no application, my lord, that's just, I have submitted on behalf.
Well, application will pass an order,
Lordship.
short application. In terms of this, the petitioner has deposited, which he may be allowed to withdraw.
My lord. That I can,
2-line petition,
my
2
lord.
pages petition, right? Allowance and affidavit. We'll pass that order.
My lord.
When will you be able to file it?
My lord, I have to, because today, like, the number doesn't come.
When?
Next week.
Give us a date, so accordingly we'll fix it and we'll pass that order.
Lordship may fix on 8th, my lord.
Give us a copy of that. This is
Yes, sir.
this is your copy.
Yes, Lordship.
Photocopy.
8th of August, my lord.
You will able to file within that?
Yes.
We'll fix it on 9th of August.
My lord.
Okay.
24-1.
Yeah.
Again, order to use. Farma.
No, I have not, this thing. They have deposited. The award has been in my favor. Hmm.
What MSP Adhikari,
Yes.
council appearing for the petition. And Mr. P. Bora, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Learned Counsel for the respondent opposite party number 1. Also heard Ms. Zahan, who is appearing? MS Anders, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor for the respondent number 2. While issuing notice in this revision petition, the petitioner also filed an interlocutory application being IA criminal number 1204/2023. Praying for suspension of the proceeding of criminal appeal number 6/2023. Arising out of CR within bracket NI case number 68/2017. Pending before the Learned Additional Session Judge Jorhat. That was preferred by the opposite party number 1. While preparing this criminal revision petition letter, while issuing notice in that, the court, while considering the said IA within bracket serial number 1204/2023 in on by order dated 14/12/2023. In the interim observed The proceeding before the proceeding of said criminal appeal number 6/2023. Pending before learned additional sessions at Jorhat. Shall remains stayed till disposal of this revision petition. Subject to deposit of 50% of the check amount. To be deposited in the registry of this court by the petitioner. Within a period of 6 weeks. From the date of passing of the said order dated 14/12/2000, i.e. 14/12/2023. During the deliberation of the matter. Both Ms. Adhikari and Mr. Bora learned senior counsel for the parties request. Submitted. That the revision petitioner. In the meanwhile. Pursuant to the said order dated 14/12/2023 noted above. Deposited an amount of rupees 1 lakh. By demand draft number. By way of demand draft letter. To the registry of this High Court. On 24/01/2024. As such. Mr. Bora and senior counsel appearing for the opposite party number 1. Praise for an order. Right. The said opposite party number 1 to withdraw the said amount. Of rupees 1 lakh. Deposited by the petitioner. Considering the exhibit. The opposite party number 1. Is allowed to file an appropriate application. In that regard. List on 9th of August. Mr. Bora will fix it on 9th of August.
Obliged, Lord.
May it please your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Mehta.
Lordship, regarding quashing of a FIR, and your lordship will find FIR at page 20, my lord.
Case diary not received.
Case diary is not important now, my lord. Your lordship kindly see the, what happened, my lord, what is the material in the case there, that FIR, my lord. That is
Just.
page 20, my lord.
Ms. Das,
Yes,
order was passed on 15th of June 2023
Lordship.
for the case diary. Right?
Yes, Lordship. Copy, yeah, Lord. Lordship, on Friday.
Just a minute. Even on 9/11/2023, the case diary was called for. Anyway, we'll first go to
Oh, your lordship
The-
kindly see what is the ingredient
FIR.
of 409 and 420 in this case, my lord.
go to that. Where is the affair?
Page 20, my lord. Page 20, my lord.
Yes, just a minute. Let me get.
We proposing a sum of rupees 38,706.
Flipkart का कंपनी होगा। कंपनी भैया अभी मतलब दिखेगा ना
Only the other two are-
नहीं है ठीक है even other way और किसी से इसमें मान लेंगे ना या लेकिन इंट्यूशन को तो 2020 में
हाँ, FIR to decide 18, 20. It's number 25.
डेट टू 2020
18.
नहीं
Signature. FIR was to issue.
नहीं है बना हमारे एक इंट्यूशन
17 February 2020. Four zero 420. The public servant Mohammed.
Mr. Mahanta,
My lord.
just only one thing to know from you. Please come to page number 30. Twenty-eight.
My lord.
What is the reply given by the SBI?
No, that I do not know, my lord. Money we have paid to SBI and SBI not paid, my lord. For that, they cannot, my lord, blame us, my lord. They said directly, my lord, go to the SBI, my lord.
This, do you have requested the SBI to?
Yes, I have displayed, already I have, your lordship kindly see next page, my lord. That is page 29, my lord.
That's it, you have seen.
Yes, my lord,
There
that
is no
bank
reply
reference
from the-
number, I have given the bank reference, but that is, in fact, that is reflected in the FIR also. So immediately when order was cancelled, my lord, we send it back to the bank. Now bank delayed it, my lord, they file a case against us, my lord. And that too, my lord, the company, my lord, without company making a company as a party, that the person who was, my lord, working in Guwahati, he is made a party. He was getting a 141 notice, that's why I am before this honorable court, my lord. Now, my lord, money has been received. They, from the bank, they have money received, my lord. But that is not our fault, my lord. And where is the criminal liability? 409 and 420, my lord. So I am on that, my lord. So since it is a FIR, so that has to, my lord, 409 and 420 railman, it has to be, my lord, there. Otherwise, they cannot
Yes,
strike.
what do you have to say, ma'am?
And money they have received, my
What do you
lord.
have to say? You're the informant, right?
Yes, your lordship.
But you have received back the money.
Your lordship, we have received the money just 1 year ago. After filing of the FIR 2.5 years
From-
later,
From whom?
from Flipkart.
No, definitely not,
From
my lord.
Flipkart, the money has been credited to my account in the month of July 2023. Just
Flipkart never pay direct to the client. Flipkart always pay to the, my lord, bank, because it was through bank, my lord, taking loan. So probably when return back the money, bank has adjusted it as their loan, my lord. Probably that is the case, my lord. No, let them prove that from Flipkart they directly receive it. I mean, very interesting, but my lord, I have to be pointed out, my lord, it trouble me, my lord. Your lordship kindly see, for your lordship kindly page 13, my lord, page 24.
Ma'am, here the transfer number is not there. Here on 4th July 2023, credit refund from Flipkart amount is 36,000, and where is the transfer number?
in my account, only that much is shown.
So we paid in long back, my lord, very next month. Of their
And the period which my learned senior has stated that they have paid in February 2020 itself 21, but the bank statement of during that period also reveals that no money was credited in the account.
Please come to page number 29. Read from High Rajesh thereafter. Page 29. Fourth line. Got it? Read after High Rajesh.
As discussed, please help in arranging a certificate from the bank stating the Flipkart has successfully transferred to the customer requesting source account. Treat this email as critical and facilitate the required document by tomorrow.
Then
Payment reference so and so, bank reference so, reference dated 17 February 2020.
And refund date is mentioned as 17 Feb 2020.
Right. Then you see the both side. Refund is that is the credit number, refund ID,
Yes, sir.
mode by credit card, amount given on the left side. Total amount is in the top, then come to the right side.
Bank reference number.
There is a reference number, refund, time and date. Then bank reference number. And before that, if you come to page number 28, just sit down below. There's a letter from the Sunil Kumar, right? There, after that, my impact maximized, there is a block. Then you see the communication. There you will see, this is an SBI debit EMI transaction that is disabled in our platform for the last 3 years. Got it?
Yes.
I have forwarded you the refund file, which was sent to the bank to process the same.
Yes, but,
So this bank process from the Flipkart side to the State Bank of India Bongaigaon branch was communicated. Probably after showing this, the bank has deposited
In his
in the account of the
loan.
Person who lost the FIR, that is the you. That is why there is no transaction number. It must reach because that is the bank reference number.
The police personnel have contacted the SBI Bongaigaon branch also. From their statement also, it was revealed that no money was transferred from the Flipkart. It was only when a status report complaint petition was filed before the CGM Kamrup Metro. After that only they have come up with this statement.
See, basically what happens,
And there are discrepancies in their own statement. Your Lordship may kindly
This is
peruse
an
the
account
status report of the.
whether they have shown, whether the police have, in that since you are aware of this fact, whether they have shown the amount they have received on credit.
Your Lordship may kindly
On-
peruse the status report of the.
That is why we're asking you, whether there is any report,
Yes.
the amount they have received, the bank has received on 17 February on credit.
No,
Is there any report on that?
no. Your Lordship may kindly turn to page number 2, paragraph number 4.
That is the bank account of whom? The petition, the informant.
Yes.
So
Here,
the ledger should have been, the police here should have looked into the ledger of the bank.
Yes.
That amount that they have received on credit
Yes, during
Instead
that
of that-
relevant period, no amount was received.
in the ledger of the bank, not the account of the informant.
But
Yes,
the
see, money has gone,
but petitioner has stated that they have refunded to my account.
it has not to be your account, just see. It is very clear. The money has been paid to that Flipkart from the bank.
Hmm.
That is why those reference numbers, they cannot be changed. And that is why when these matters were placed before the bank, immediately bank has shown this. It has been deposited in the account in July. Anyway,
And your Lordship may kindly see at point number 6, there is another statement addressed to the complainant received through Instacart Service Private Limited Beltola on 8/11/2000, and on examination, it has come to the light that the Flipkart authority credited the amount on 17/2/2020.
so
But there was no Instacart Service Private Limited attached to with this account.
List on. What Mr. Is the Mahanta Lanet Senior Counsel. Assisted by Counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners. Also heard. MS and us. Standing counsel, sorry, public prosecutor, additional public prosecutor. For the state respondent number 1. And MS. P. Chaudhary. Land counsel. For the respondent number 2 informant.
Yes.
List on.
Your Lordship, can it be in the second week of September?
16th August. September you won.
Or
You won in September.
yes, if I need to file any affidavit, so the respondent won't be here in the month of August.
Okay. 11th of August.
Your Lordship, 11th of September.
Sorry, September. Enabling the investigating officer of Bosista Police Station, case number 325/2021, to place a detailed report as to when the State Bank of India, Bongaigaon branch, received an amount of rupees 36,999 from
Flipkart, my lord.
there is another name, I think so. Not only Flipkart.
When otherwise, my lord, without jurisdiction of the Guwahati, my lord. Cause of action arise in Bongaigaon, because my lord, I should not say, my lord, your page 23, your lordship kindly see, that should not have, my lord, written this. Court can take, my lord, judicial notice on it. They should not have done, my lord.
They should have referred the matter to Bongaigaon Police Station. Anyway,
Why do you file case Guwahati, my lord? What is the reason, my lord?
is he a resident of?
Reason is very
He
clear.
is a permanent resident of Guwahati.
That is not the cause of action arise in, my lord, the Bongaigaon, and that is I had the in Bangalore and file in Guwahati, because he is a CGM in Guwahati. SDGM in Guwahati, and
During that
in official, and this also given in, my lord, FIR, my lord. Without permission, I could totally go on. If it be a problem, without a official capacity, without taking permission, with the High Court. Be careful if it be there.
It's okay, Mr. Mahanta, we have taken note of that.
My lord, but that should not be, my lord. Actually, I should not have, my lord, pointed out, but my lord, they should know at least, my lord, what is what.
I was also hesitating. The thing is this, he said he's a customer of Bongaigaon branch.
No.
In the FIR, he has stated.
Yes, he has stated, my lord, that cause of action arise in Bongaigaon, and he has deliberated, that is ordered in there, my lord, and so bank, my lord, taking loan, they have paid the money, and as soon as money returned back, and that was adjusted with the bank probably. And why they are not arresting the bank people if it is so?
But Mr. Mahanta, there is one thing. You can lodge an FIR anywhere.
My lord,
But it is the concerned
but
police station.
there is zero FIR. That has to be, my lord, concerned. It has to be sent to the concerned police station, my lord. That is called zero FIR, my lord.
They should not have registered this in the Bosista police station. They
My
should
lord.
have forwarded to.
So what is the reason behind this, my lord?
Anyway. Ms. Zahan, we got the hint.
Yes, she knows.
In fact, in the fire, both bank and Flipkart were made accused persons.
No, not only that, but thing is this anyway. The
Jurisdiction point is definitely has to be seen.
No, that has to be seen, and because should not have registered.
Shouldn't
It has
have.
to be,
109 speaks clearly in the
this
place
is
of occurrence.
clear, it's in the provision.
Place of occurrence has to be at Bongaigaon.
It should have been registered as Mr. Mahanta has suggested.
can be JD&D send it to the proper police station. That is why it is called zero FIR. They can register, my lord, but as a zero register.
No, it has to be registered after
Right.
the
That
constitution bench judgment. It has to be anywhere in India, right? They can't. Self-place the report. Through the কাম করে through the authorities in the Bangladesh police station. Self-place the report as to when. State Bank of India, Bangladesh. Receive the amount of such and such from the Flipkart. As in this petition, Mr. Mantal and its senior counsel. By placing an XFO. Communication through email dated 09/06/2023. And 08/06/2023. By communication, internal communication of Flipkart. Dated 08/06/2003 and 09/06/2023. Placed before the court. That. By payment reference number. E19122407747 J58HB02. With refund ID number. CR 2002071 41657 171 7660 2204. Bank reference number IN 17291.
2921.
Sorry, 2921. Credited the amount of which is 36,999. On 17/02/2020. Credited such refund at 02:16 PM. Copy of this order be furnished to MS. And thus laminations of the prosecutor for her necessary use. Failure on the part of the investigating officer / officer in charge of Worcester Police Station. To place the relevant instruction. On the date so fixed I on 09 on 11/09/2024. The court shall consider to pass consequential order against the erring official. As it is seen that though by orders dated 15/06/2023 and 09/11/2023, the court called for the records of case diary of Bosista PS case number 325/2021. Even today, on being inquired, Ms. Das Lande, National Public Prosecutor, submitted before the court that the Office of the Public Prosecutor, Guwahati High Court, was not provided with the relevant case diary I Bosista PS case by the concerned officials. List accordingly.
Hello, interim order passed by lesser coming.
The interim order passed early on
15/6/23.
15/6/2020 shall remain in force until further order of the court.
Developed.
May I please, Joseph? My lord, the sister-in-law has obtained a search warrant against the father-in-law and mother-in-law, my lord, which we put under challenge. Now, the new development is that respondent has already got made with another person, my lord. Now, see where the right, and another case is that, my lord, we have also filed a succession case. Because, my lord, it's a joint property, until there's a declaration from the succession, my lord, case, that respondent cannot claim anything at her sole capacity. Lordship, the both thing you would like to bring on record, my lord. I pray some time, my lord, to file affidavit, my lord.
When she got married?
My lord, recently we got the information through my lord Facebook post. This is the copy, my lord. And another, my lord, we have also filed a succession case for the determination of rights, my lord, of all parties concerned. Lordship may also see page 15.
Yes. Where is her petition before the family court?
My lord,
Have you annexed?
family court. My lord, it is not before family court, it was filed before the, my lord, judicial Mr. First Class, my lord, page 43, my lord.
No, no, no.
The divorce case, my lord, dropped because during the pendency of the divorce case, my lord, the person expired, my lord. He sought search point, that is in page 43, my lord. Local is a joint, my lord,
Just a. None appeared for the respondent. Do you have a copy of the divorce petition?
yes, my lord, divorce petition, my lord, copy, my lord, yes. My lord, that is in page 31, my lord. Even, my lord, that learned court itself earlier rejected the petition, my lord. And thereafter again, my lord, the same treatment has been given. Lordship, can you see page 55 here? Last paragraph. Yeah.
Yes, what do you want to show from this?
But page 50, I want to show last paragraph. Earlier, once this search warrant was issued in respect of Sridhar, madam, there is a clear indication where it is stated that identification except the ICICI Bank Bhangagar branch joint account. Once it was declined, my lord, afterward, what situation developed out of which it required to pass an order for search warrant, my lord? And now, my lord, that she has already changed her status. No, my lord, next page, my lord.
This,
No, my lord, Facebook, we have got the information. Now she got made to another person recently, my lord. And there is also succession case we have filed recently at Tinsukia. Both things we would like to bring on record, my lord.
you have not seen anything that the particular account was a joint account or?
Yes, my joint account. It's clearly mentioned, my lord.
Joint account in the name of the.
Husband and wife, my lord. Now, once husband expired, therefore the equal rights also.
With her only.
Yes.
Okay, then, what about the flat,
My lord,
the apartment?
the apartment is not an issue.
Apartment is in name of whom?
There is no any apartment, my lord. That the one.
They are residing in that particular place.
Yes, that house was, my lord, there.
That
now-
house belongs to whom?
But I think it was rental. I am not clear, but that family was residing there, my lord, in a flat, my lord, along with their parents, my lord.
The
See-
reason we are asking you for this, please
But-
come to the complaint.
But I think flat was never a issue because, my lord, the succession case we have filed at
Please
Tinsukia.
come to the complaint.
I will get the information, my lord, about that flat. But so far my knowledge goes, my lord, I
Mr.
think the
Samaria,
whole family
please come to the complaint.
complaint, my lord. Yes, my lord. That complaint containing, my lord. Page 17, my lord.
Come to page number 23,
23, my lord.
para 13, the
Yes,
last
my
one.
lord. Yes, the inspector repeated request of the complainant and her parents. The accused person have refused to return Sridhan the articles to the complaint and such. The complaint has deprived from using those articles and accused person kept those articles under lock and key at flat number so and so, so and so. Flat number is a rental, might be a rental house, my lord.
We do not know.
My lord, I will make it clear, my lord, there is no problem. But so far my knowledge good, my lord, perhaps this
You
is
have
not a
also
issue at
not
all.
stated anything regarding that.
She claimed only that Sridhan, my lord. And that has already been taken away, entire thing, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, even parents left out the house, now they are residing at Tinsukia, my lord. And lordship, can you see page 16, paragraph 16 of page 23, it is just a complaint about us. Misappropriation of Sridhan, my lord. There is no any claim about anything about flats, my lord.
Normal vote. Go on. Maybe. Yes, sir. Heard Mr. S. Samaria, counsel appearing for the petitioner. None appeared for the petitioner's liquid. None appeared for the sole respondent. Though name of the counsel has been reflected in the court list. In spite of the reason. None appeared. The counsel for the sole respondent is absent in the court by submitting the note as shown in the cause list. It is seen that in spite of the order of the court dated 10/11/2023, and on issuance of reminder on more than 2 occasions, the registry is yet to receive the records of CR case number 3845C 2022. Scan copy of the records of the from the court of learned judicial magistrate first class Kamrup Metro Guwahati. Issue fresh reminder to the learned JMFC Kamrup Metro Guwahati with regard to the 10 copy of the records of CR case number 3845/2022, as well as Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup Metro Guwahati. Failure on the part of the authorities concerned to provide the records, scanned copy of the records of such offences. The court shall consider to pass consequential order against erring officials. Mr. Somalia and counsel prays for some time in this matter. List on 28th of August.
8th of Monday.
28th of August.
Hello, interim order is operating.
Interim order first release and remain in force till the next date of history.
No, nothing like that.
Happy the lot. Petition also for posting of an FIR. FIR page 8.
No, I think the Forest Department Council needs to come here.
Just make him.
क्यों matter to? No, क्यों matter? Question something. Forest regulation.
Forest regulation. To make kindly say page 3, paragraph 3, Lordship. Actually, what happened, Lordship? Page 3, paragraph 3. In fact, this affair has been lost after 2 years. 2 years, Lordship.
Barn hai nahi. Barn hai.
Heard Mr. A. Sharma, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And I'm Mr. Sahan, learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the
368 or barn.
state respondent number 1.
468 and 368.
It is seen that
377.
Bonkim Sharma, BANKIM, Sharma has said,
468 barn hai. Imam Nasr to nahi le nahi ro.
has filed Wakalatnama on behalf of the respondent number 2, the informant in the case. Oh,
The limitation period nahi bani 468.
the
It's a non circuit.
respondent number 2 remain
1 year
unrepresented.
for a total of 3 years. 3 years man logo sana. 2 years.
Order. Yes. Though the respondent number 3 is represented by the standing counsel forest department. The said respondent also remain unrepresented. List on 9th.
Lordship, 9th of August.
Seventeen is adjourned. 17 is adjourned. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Data judgment data because
Wow.
Okay, this case was dismissed. Then what happened? After that,
Lord, first NI case was earlier filed. That was dismissed and the accused person was acquitted after full hearing, after taking evidence. Then after some time, another case was filed.
With regard to the same issue?
And same issue, same party. And over and above, there are also money suit also is going on. So these things are the subject matter. Now, whether my learned friend is ready or not.
Lordship,
Yes,
I have
sir.
a judgment to produce, Lordship. Lordship, later on a fresh complaint case has been filed, Lordship.
So you have lost a complaint petition.
Lordship,
This judgment is that if fails to file such, then the recourse is to take complaint petition.
Yes, that's the
So did
complaint.
you prefer complaint petition?
Yes, we have filed a different petition, but the issue is the same.
Where is your
At
complaint?
first time, we have filed a complaint case which was prematurely we have filed.
Then the petition has to acquitted, right?
Yes,
Then,
and later on, we have filed a fresh complaint case on the same issue.
so when,
Then they have filed a petition. That is in Annex of 5, Lordship.
Annex
Page
of
38. Yes.
what is the order passed?
This petition was dismissed, Lordship. It is in Annex 8. As per order dated 19/6/2023.
Just a minute. Then,
Lordship, may you please peruse page number 55.
yes, Mr. Mahmood,
My lord.
go to the decision of 2014-10 SCC 713 and tell us whether this order will be maintainable or not. Because relying on the decision of the Honorable Apex Court, the learned JMFC have passed this order on 19th of June 2023, which is impugned in this petition. Only issue is whether applicable in this case or not, that much, nothing else.
Here, lordship, some questions
So
are
not, that is the reason, only relying on the decision because as been Ms. Saha has pointed out about this Supreme Court decision. And the Honorable Apex could have clarified in this matter. Again, if some cases premature, in that case, the complainant has a right to prefer another criminal It is there. Go through that decision because it is seen that learned magistrate have passed this order. This is a three judges judgment of the Honorable Apex Court.
Here, actually, Lordship, I have understood the point. The thing is this, normally in such type of cases, appealable issues have.
But that was the decision of
here-
the honorable case,
Full case was fully heard. Evidences were taken.
whatever. Because the finding ultimately is.
Yes, yes, that is
right.
true.
The first case is that. Thereafter, the Honorable Apex Court has considered those aspects. And that is why allowed that under 142B, the such complainant can recourse to another fresh complaint. Go through that provision and that decision of the Apex Court and tell us on the next date. Because whatever the decision appears to be correct, the learned judicial magistrate have passed that order only by following this order. So whether applicable in this case or not, that will be your case. You establish it, finish it off. When?
Next week.
Next week may not be possible. Board is almost full, I don't know. 12th,
9
12th August.
August. All that.
Heard Mr. M. Mahmood, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And MS R. Sahal, and counsel appearing for the sole respondent complainant. It is seen that the learned judicial magistrate first class Bongaigaon was the Union ordered the 1906-2023 in NICR 01/2020. Following the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Yogendra Pratap Singh versus Savitri Pandey and another, reported in 2014 10 SCC 713. Come on. The judgment of the Honorable Apex Court rendered by 3 judges bench. Though the first complaint against the petitioner lodged by the complainant sole respondent under the NI Act being NICR number 36 of 2017. Was dismissed by Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Bongaigaon on 06/12/2019. Considering that the complainant filed a said case prematurely and thereby acquitted the petitioner and set him at liberty. Okay. List on 11/08. 12/08. 2024. And on the said date, the petitioner shall place the relevant submission as to why the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court reported in 2014, where resolution of Jagendra Pratap Singh Supra shall not be applicable in the NICR 01/2020 presently pending before the Court of London JMFC Bangladesh. List according.
May I please your lordship? There's a 482 application for caution the FIR lordship.
Where is the case diary?
Because I have received information, your lordship, the FIR has been submitted, your lordship.
Lordship, case diary not received in this case.
FR has been submitted.
Yes, your lordship. I don't know the date, your lordship.
Yes, do you have any information in this?
No, I have, my client has not received any notice regarding FR, my lord. But I will pick it.
Yes, in that we can.
A short date may be fixed, my lord.
Let me. Two by order is it hard? MS. You write NWF. You,
Nazneen, your lordship.
Nazneen. Not counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. A. Bushel, an additional public prosecutor. For the state respondent number 1. Also heard MS SS Zia. Learned counsel for the respondent number 2 informant. Do by order dated. (2208-2023). The court called for the records of the case date of Changsari PS case number 442/2022. Registered under sections 419/407/468/471 IPC. Against the petitioner. But Mr. Bushel, an additional public prosecutor, submitted that till date, the authority concerned did not furnish the said case diary. In view of the above, on the next date fixed, on 14/08/2023, sorry, 24, the investigating officer of Changsari PS such and such, without fail, shall submit the status report of investigation officer, the said Changsari PS case. From a failing which court shall consider to pass consequential order against the erring officer. Copy of this order to be furnished to Mr. Abush.
Deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, Mr. Roy.
This is POSCO case, my lord. He's been charge sheeted, my lord. We have.
Trial court, or it was before the police? Regarding that, because there the victim said that they'll marry. That statement was before police or? Any idea? Or we put it on?
The court accepted the same and noted that continuing the case would adversely affect the relationship of the couple. And so hence quashed the FIR.
This is in 2015,
15, my lord.
but before the judgment of the apex court regarding any heinous crime or in POCSO case, they cannot be. 482 will not be applicable.
Depending on facts and circumstances.
Definitely depends on facts and circumstances of the case, but that is the reason if the trial court records it and then passes an order, it will be better. If that part we'll see to that. MSH Jahan, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor, appearing for the state respondent number 1. Also heard Mr. Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 2. Where is the case record that was called for by KK Delikis for the respondent? Called for by order dated 26/10/2023. Which is available only up to order dated 1/11/2023. Passed by Learned Additional Session Judge, come Special Judge POCSO, Kachar Silsar. In special within bracket POCSO, bracket close case number 22/2023. List on 30th of August. In the meanwhile, registry cell in the meanwhile, Learned Additional Session Judge, within bracket Special Judge, come Special Judge POCSO, Kachar Silsar. Shall place the up-to-date case records scan up-to-date case record. Scan copy of the up-to-date case records of special POCSO case number 22/2023. After 1/11/2023. Till date. Registry shall immediately report shall inform the Learned Additional Session Judge, come Special Judge POCSO Kachar. In that regard.
My lord has fixed 13th August, my lord.
30.
30. Obliged.
Better কথা লেখা, if in the meanwhile, evidence of any witness also been recorded, including that of the informant victim. The same shall also be forwarded. A screen copy of the sheet evidence shall also be forwarded.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I'm the newly appointed legal aid counsel as per order 19 July 2024. However, your lordship, the case at the trial court stands abated due to death of the petitioner. So this petition will be rendered infructuous.
You have the information?
Your lordship, I was going through e-courts this morning and that's when I found it. If that has to be placed officially, I'll do the needful.
Do you have the copy of the note on which date the order was passed by the Learned Trial Court?
Yes, your lordship, there was a short note on e-courts. So from that I came to know. It was from the, I think, your lordship, I have it on my phone actually.
Forward it to him?
Yes.
You will know.
Sorry? Mail to. What was the name? Your Lordship, I think there's some network issue. So Your Lordship may just take it up in 2 minutes. I'll send it from outside. Oh.
By judgment dated 02/11/2023, passed by Learned Sessions Judge Sonitpur. In sessions case number 229/2018. Arising out of Jammuguri Police Station case number 65/2018. Corresponding to GR case number 1920/2018. Convicted the accused appellant under section 376 IPC and sentence him for rigorous imprisonment for 10 years with fine of rupees 5,000. In default, simple imprisonment for another 1 month. And also 376 by 448. And further sentence him to undergo RI for 6 months. Under section 448 IPC. where both the sentences to run concurrently. After the said judgment dated 0 to 11/2023, the convicted accused was taken into custody. To run concurrently, formally, setting up the period of detention already undergone by him during the course of investigation, inquiry, and trial of the case. Appropriately, the such was taken into custody, and since then, the convicted accused him. Central Jail at Tezpur, serving the sentences, undergoing the punishment. The said convicted accused Kusum Gogoi, alias Purno, have preferred this appeal, being agreed with his judgment conviction sentence, preferred this appeal from jail. It will be admitted for hearing. Call for the records of sessions case number 229/2018 from the Court of Learned Session Judge Sonitpur. কালকে দিছিল প্রিয়াঙ্কি দাসক দিছো নেকি? Srimati Priyanki Das, empaneled amicus curiae of the Guwahati High Court as per the notification number 23 dated 18/04/2024, be appointed as the amicus curiae for the convicted accused appellant. Namtu Bharatiba. Registry shall reflect the name of such and such in the cause list for the appellant. তার আগতে খালি লিখবে প্রথমত হার্ড মিস্টার এই প্রথমে যে সেফিল লিখে তারপর হার্ড মিস্টার এ গুইসল অন এডিশন পাবলিক প্রসিকিউটর ফর দ্য স্টেট registry shall furnish the copy of the judgment include judgment dated such and such passed by learned such and that in sessions case number such and such to miss such and such, obtaining necessary acknowledgement in that. Record person list up to 6 weeks.
Your Lordship, I've mailed it.
Okay. Third MS,
MK Brown.
MK Brown, Learned Legal Aid Council. Appearing in this matter for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Bushel and additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. The petitioner hearing was an accused in POCSO case number 145/2021. Pending before the court of learned POCSO judge, special judge within bracket POCSO. Morigaon. Arising out of Guragaon, case number 112/2021. District Morigaon. In which charged under section 376 AB/302/201 IPC reduced section 6 of the POCSO Act 2012 was filed against the petitioner by order the 2409/2021 passed by learned special judge Pokso Morigam in Pokso case number 145 of 2021. And the accused was in jail custody. The accused challenged in this criminal petition, read amongst others, the order is at 14/12/2022, 28/12/2022, and 02/05/2023. Passed by London Pokso Judge, Special Judge Pokso, and said Pokso case number such and such. The petitioner preferred this criminal petition on 10/11/2023. And the court by order dated 16/11/2023. You should notice when the interim state the further proceeding of said Pokso case number 145/2021 pending before the Court of Learned Additional Session Judge from Special Judge Pokso Morigao till the returnable date. Issued notice returnable by 2 weeks. The petitioner was represented by a legal aid counsel. After the order dated 16/11/2023, the matter was listed on matter was taken up for consideration by the court on 01/04/2024. But the petitioner remained unrepresented. Thereafter, the matter was again taken up again was listed on 24/06/2024. And on the same date, also the petitioner remained unrepresented. Matter was last listed on 19/7/2024. The court considered even on last date, on 19/07/2024, the petitioner remained unrepresented and found that on 01/04/2024 and 16/11/2023, the court did not extend the interim order passed earlier on 16/11/2023. On 23/07/2024, the learned assistant, additional session judge cum special judge POCSO took up the said POCSO case number such and such, special POCSO case number such and such. Morigaon লিখিবা। On getting an information from the, on getting a communication from the Superintendent of District Jail Morigaon that the petitioner said Ali Munsi alias Patha accused police case number to expired on 22/07/2024 at 06:45 PM. Considering the said intimation from the Superintendent of District Jail Morigaon, learned additional session judge cum special judge POCSO by its order dated 23/07/24 abated the said case against the accused such and such, the present petition, and accordingly disposed of said special case, special POCSO case number such and such. Ms. Brown, learned legal aid counsel, obtained the said information from the orders uploaded by the learned additional session judge cum special judge POCSO Morigaon in its e-court services and placed a copy of the said order before the court today while deliberating the matter. As the accused petitioner such and such and such, son of such and such, has already expired. And they said such and such case number such and such have been abated pursuant to the, as by the land additional session judge cum special judge POCSO Morigaon. This criminal petition being infructuous. Stands dismissed. Copy of the order of the 23/07/2024 placed by Ms. Brown, London, legal aid counsel. He passed by London for ID, be kept as a part of the report. The registry. The Guwahati High Court Legal Services Committee. Cell. Terracotta sentence. The assistance appreciate the assistance provided by such and such legal aid counsel, namely such and such, is appreciated. The Guwahati High Court Legal Services Committee shall pay the remuneration to Ms. such and such, the legal aid counsel, this case on raising a bill. So. Okay, get the laptop for it. If there is any stay order.
Lordship, in item number.
Plus give the numbers to him, we'll pass the message to the council. But one thing we make it clear, the many of the councils are giving the numbers where there are stay orders, but on verification, we found that the interim order that was passed earlier was not extended by the court in the earlier orders. So we are clarifying that even if such orders are there, in the initial stage where there is an interim order and not been extended by the subsequent dates, we will not extend that order.